In today's digital world, content is everything. Businesses, brands, churches, schools, and content creators are constantly looking for high-quality graphics and videos to capture attention online. As social media platforms continue to prioritize video content, the ability to design and edit professional visuals has become one of the most valuable digital skills you can have, and this demand will only continue to grow in the future. That's why we created the Ultimate Canva Masterclass. This course goes beyond basic Canva tutorials and focuses on practical skills that you can use immediately. You will learn professional graphic design techniques, powerful Canva tips and tricks, and advanced video editing workflows that help you get the absolute best out of the platform. You will also discover how Canva's powerful tools, templates, and features can make designing and video editing easier, faster, and more efficient without sacrificing quality. You will learn how to create reels, promotional videos, documentary-style videos, social media content, flyers, posters, presentations, and much more. One of the most unique parts of this course is that you will learn how to create professional quality content using both a computer and a smartphone. Whether you're editing videos, designing graphics, or creating social media content, you'll discover how to work efficiently from anywhere. Canva simplifies the creative process, allowing you to produce impressive designs and videos in less time while maintaining a professional look. The video editing session is especially comprehensive, showing you how to produce engaging videos with transitions, animations, subtitles, music, effects, and storytelling techniques that keep viewers watching. By the end of this course, you'll have the skills to create content for businesses, clients, churches, organizations, and your own personal brand. You can use these skills to start freelancing, offer design and video editing services, grow your social media presence, support a business, or even build a career in digital content creation. The demand for skilled content creators is growing every year. Don't get left behind. Enroll in the Ultimate Canva Masterclass today and start transforming your creativity into real-world opportunities.